Welcome to the Global Awareness Channel. We deliver summaries from the best teachers straight to your subconscious mind. Listen to this 10-minute session for 30 days and you will rewire your brain. This session is based on Napoleon Hill's teachings. Enjoy the 3D sound experience with headphones. You can keep your eyes open or closed. Sit or lay down in your favorite position, with your back straight and in a space where you will not be disturbed. Now, let's begin the download. Bring your attention to your breathing. And if it serves you, synchronized to the offered box breathing. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. In order to do great things, I need to harness the power of my subconscious mind. My subconscious mind is the garden. My conscious mind is the gardener. My subconscious mind is always working. Whatever I plant, becomes a reality. I daily use the 5 keys. To reprogram my subconscious mind. First, I am very clear on my goal. Only because I am clear on my goal, I can program it into my subconscious mind. Vague goals cannot be programmed. I have clarity. My specific goal is this is what I implant in my mind. I can clearly visualize the picture. I can clearly see all the details of my goal. I can clearly feel my goal. Second, I use auto-suggestions. Throughout my day, I repeat my goal in my mind constantly. I repeat my goal in my mind constantly. Running the affirmations in my mind is like watering the garden. I put the seeds. And constantly take care of them. Third, I use the power of emotions. I feel the emotions that resonate with my goal. I clearly see my goal. I constantly see my goal. I deeply feel my goal. I constantly see my goal. Emotionless thoughts do not affect the subconscious mind. Positive thoughts and emotions attract more positive thoughts and emotions. I minimize negativity and disempowering thoughts. I embrace positivity and positive thoughts. I program my mind with deliberately designed positive thoughts. Fourth, I visualize my goal. I act as if I have already achieved my goal. I see and feel my goal. As already accomplished. I already have what I desire. And I feel I already have what I desire. And I am doing I already have what I desire. And I see I already have what I desire. And I feel Fifth, I am persistent. I constantly repeat the goal. My persistent thoughts mixed with emotions and mixed with faith. I decide to reprogram my subconscious mind. I boost this process by burning the boats. When there is no way back to my comfort zone, my subconscious mind enters into survival mode. My burning obsession makes me unstoppable. I cut out all other possibilities and constantly feel my goal. As we count down to 1, you can gradually open your eyes. 3, 2, 1, eyes open, feeling relaxed, energized, empowered, calm, and grateful. Remember to do this session every day for the next 30 days if you want to reprogram your mind. Subscribe for new videos every week. Like and share with someone you appreciate. Let us know in the comments how you felt and if there is any other teaching or book you would love to have in this format. Thank you and see you soon.